Hello, it's Mark from Not Taught at School and welcome to today's video. So in this video we're going to be looking at Legendary Marketer, and more specifically we're going to be looking at the 15-day challenge. So in this video what I'll do is I'll show you inside the members area, I'll show you everything that's included with this, we'll go over how much this will cost, and then I'll also show you how you can get access to absolutely everything for $1. And I'll show you that at the end of the video. So please make sure you watch this video till the end, because if you want to jump in with Legendary Marketer and get access to everything we're going to cover, I'll show you how you can get this for $1, and I'll also share how you can get some of my courses included within this whole thing. So let's go into Legendary Marketer and have a look at exactly what this is and how it all works. So once you sign up to this 15-day challenge, this is how it looks. So on the left hand side you've got all of your days down here. Now when you first get started, obviously you start at day 1, and this is the video for day 1, the #1 secret to building a high ticket, high profit business online. Now how long is this video? It's 51 minutes. So all of the training that you get included within this course is extremely high quality. It's very good. And also what happens is once you've watched this video here, below the video you actually have assignments for this. So you go through, you watch the video, and then once you scroll down here, look, you've got your assignments. So you have a quiz here. So basically what they want to make sure you're doing is that you've gone through the video and you understand it, and then they give you a quiz on here. Next, you've also got schedule your one-on-one business call with an advisor and claim your bonuses. So the bonuses that they include in this for you are, they've got some email templates and some scripts and some other bits. If we then come down here, assignment number 3, be in business for yourself. This here is something that they do every single Monday and Friday, and it's called the Legendary Call. So on here, basically what happens is people jump on the call and they share their, their marketing tips, stories, case studies, and lots more stuff in here. And this is all included within here. So you can jump into this absolutely for free every Monday and Friday. And then if you scroll down here, once you've gone through the video and you've completed all of the assignments, you click down here, mark this lesson complete. Once this has been completed, you go to the next step. Now what happens here is you cannot progress until day 2 until on the right hand side over here you schedule a call with a business advisor. So what happens here is if you click on schedule now, it will open up this here. So you can see on here I've already scheduled a call and I've had a chat or a discussion with my business advisor. And what happens on here is you have to literally book a call with a business advisor, and they will walk you through what to expect from this challenge here, and what you should be doing, what you shouldn't be doing, and basically they want to get to know you a little bit more. And this comes up in some of the more, I think it's day 3 where you've got to fill in like a complete quiz, and then after you've done that you've then got to jump on a 30-minute call with them. And why they're doing this is it's for 2 reasons. The first reason is they want to get to know you and understand you and help you within your business a little bit more. And also at the same time, they are trying to get you to enroll in some of the additional products that are within the Legendary Marketer company. So if I go up here and show you products, you can see there's all of these different products on here. And they will advise you and guide you whether any of these are specific for you or whether they think you should enroll in any of these. So there's a number of different products that you can go through, but please don't feel pressured into signing up to any of these different products. When I went ahead and had my business call, I just said no thank you. At this moment in time I want to go through this 15-day challenge. If I want to purchase any of these additional products over here, then I will purchase them and I'll let you know. So this is day 1, the #1 secret to building a high ticket, high profit business online. Day number 2 is the core 4, the top high ticket business models online. And again, look at this, it's a 42-minute video. So after you've gone through the video, come down here to assignments, schedule your one-on-one business call. Come down here, this is the wake up call again, and then make sure you've marked this session as complete. If we go back up here, we're then on to day 3. Day 3, let's build a business in 30 minutes. Ironically, it's a 43-minute video, but the content in this video and what Dave, this guy here, this is Dave, he is the CEO and essentially the owner of the company. What he shares in here is all about building the foundations to setting up and running a profitable online business. We'll then go to day 4. You have got how to master the inner game of wealth. And again, look at a 20-minute video. After you've watched the video, here are your assignments. Schedule your next business call. Come down here. Fill out the clarity process questionnaire. So if I click on here, let me just show you this. So I'm going to click on here. Look, it goes through all of this on here for you. So if I come up here, let me just come out of this. Scroll up here, day 5. Let's go into day 5. The big day, developing your business plan. And again, they give you a business plan, and they also give you like drafts and email templates that you can use for this. So then going to day 6. You have questions, no problems, I have answers. How a 30-minute video. Day number 7. When should I quit my job to build my business full time? And again, your assignments. So what I like about this course, and the reason why I've gone back into Legendary and started promoting it, is because it's really good quality videos, training, and ultimately what this will do is it will help you to build an online business from the ground up. And absolutely every single step of this, if you're going to like day 8 here, to give you the video, you walk through the video, below the video you've got your assignments in here. They've also got a Facebook group where you can go and connect with many other people in here. But ultimately what this complete 15-day challenge is all about, it's about giving you the tools and the knowledge to set absolutely everything up. It goes from the idea to building this idea to then launching it into the marketplace and how you can start driving traffic and sales to your online business. So you've got, this is day 10. What's this on here? I can't actually see that. More income skill, number 2. Let me see what this says. High income skill. So again, it's another quality video, and then you've got assignments below all of this. And what I love about this, and when I had to go back through all of this training, is it's all been updated. So this all got updated back end of 2019, because originally I joined Legendary in 2018, and at the time it just wasn't a fit for me. So some of the things I didn't agree with, so I didn't promote it or I didn't share it. In 2019, the back end of 2019, they had an update. Dave here, he went through and reshot all of these videos, and now I'm really happy with this, and hence the reason why I'm sharing this video here with you. But like I say, it just walks through absolutely everything. And as you go further down this challenge here, it goes into outsourcing and basically how you can become hands-off in your business by outsourcing and using all of these different tools and features on here. But look, if you're looking for a genuine way to make money online and start an online business, this 15-day challenge here, this will absolutely take you by the hand and walk you through every single thing you need to do. Now this normally costs, wait for it, $7. So if you're in the UK, that's about what, £5.50, £6, US, Canada, etc. $7. So for $7 you will get access to absolutely everything you can see in here. There's 15 days in here, and it's a complete business plan from start to finish. Okay, now I said to you I would show you how you can actually get all of this for $1. So at this moment in time, Legendary Marketer, that actually, if I go over to this page over here, it's actually called 15-second free leads. Now this was something that Legendary Marketer run in the Facebook group, and it was ultimately using TikTok to drive traffic. And you can see here, you can get everything for just $1. And what this was doing was, it was sharing 15 seconds to 60-second videos over on TikTok and driving traffic over to affiliate products and, you know, blogs, websites, and different products and services. And if you scroll down here, you can see all of these testimonials here. These are all 100% real. They're all from within inside of the Facebook group. So you can see here, Linda, here are my results from the 7-day challenge. So Linda has been on TikTok for 10 days. She's currently generating 160 to 180 leads a day. It's just crazy using TikTok. So if I just scroll down here, there's many more testimonials on here from people using this. But what you can do is you can come over to this page here and look, there's a link down below. Click on that, it'll take you over to this page here. It will cost you $1. So instead of paying the $7 that you'd normally have to pay for, you can come over here and get this for $1. And look what's included in this. So you get the 15-second free leads training course. You also get the 15-day online business challenge. And then there's some additional bonuses. So you get Facebook ad templates, high ticket email templates, video scripts, phone scripts, and also a personal one-on-one business plan. So you purchase this, and then let me show you what this looks like in the back end. So this here is the $1 TikTok course, and again it's all quality training. So there's 5 parts to this, and if we click on here, look, this video here is 17 minutes long. If we go to the next one, this one again is 17 minutes. Next video, 20 minutes. Next video, 37 minutes. And the next video is nearly an hour long. And this course here is being put together by 4 guys who basically started on TikTok, and all of them grew their TikTok accounts to over 10,000 followers within 10 weeks. So if I just click on back to course, and look, if you're starting to feel a bit overwhelmed by watching this video, thinking, oh my god, I've gone from Legendary Marketer 15-day business challenge to the TikTok challenge and other bits, please don't. It's really simple. There's a link down below. Go ahead and purchase this 15-second free leads course. It's $1. You will get access to this course here, but if you don't want to go ahead and take this TikTok challenge here and go through and create, an account on TikTok, once you've purchased this and you go through, this is what your back office looks like. At the top here where it says challenge, you click on here and look, start here. This is essentially day 0. So you watch this video by Dave here. If you scroll down here, would you like the help of a business plan advisor at no additional charge? You can come down here and say yes please, or no thanks, I don't want help. And then you can actually go through the 15-day challenge for $1. So for $1 you get access to the whole 15 days, and you also get access to the whole TikTok course as well. So this here, if we go back over here, this is the Legendary Marketer 15-day challenge. It will take you by the hand and walk you through absolutely everything you need to know about starting an online business, how to get the fundamentals right, what you need to do, what you don't need to, and how you can start making money online. Once you go through this 15-day course, at the end of the 15 days, if I click on here, I'll just show you this. So congratulations, you did it, you've made it to the end. What you can now do here is, there's another business call down here. Click to purchase the business blueprints. Come a bit further down. See here, if you love our company and you would like to refer others to us, then you can earn commissions by doing so. So you would literally click on here, apply now to become an affiliate for the company, and I recommend that you do that, and that's exactly what I did. So I went through the 15 days training up here. Once I'd gone through all of these 15 days, I then applied to become an affiliate, and that was 2 days ago. So I finished the 15 days training 2 days ago. I applied to become an affiliate. Once you've applied for that, you then get access to this page here, which is basically the affiliate tab here. So within here, again, it's all really simple and all really easy to follow along with. We've got start here, so if I click on here, if I scroll down here, look, they give you all of the tools that you need to be successful with this. How to crush as a Legendary Marketer affiliate. You've got welcome and overview. You've got these videos here. You've then got setting up sales funnels, email marketing, running Facebook ads. But then scroll up here on the on the right hand side, you've got all of these different checklists and other bits on here. If I come up here, we've got leads, members, reports, scorecards, custom funnels. So basically, it's all been done for you. So if I click on funnels here, so if you go through the 15-day challenge and you think, I like Legendary Marketer, I want to start promoting it and sharing it, they're basically giving you all of the tools to be successful. So you've got the Insider's Guide ebook, the Business Challenge, and many more of these. So if you signed up to become an affiliate and you want to promote any of these, let's say you want to promote the Business Challenge here, it gives you details of this. So look, Business Builder Challenge Funnels, and click play and it'll walk you through all of this. You've then got your affiliate links. So you can get all of your affiliate links here, so you can send people straight to a capture page. You've got, what is this? Looks like a bridge page. Come a bit further down, and another email opt-in, sales page, checkout page. You can basically send the traffic wherever you like. But what I really like about this is if you scroll up here, you've got autoresponder. So if I click on autoresponder here, if you can't afford to go ahead and purchase your own autoresponder, you see here, look, I want Legendary to do the email follow-up for me. So you click on here, and basically what happens is, if anybody goes over to any of your affiliate links, the Legendary Marketer system will kick in for you and follow up and email all of your leads for you. And if anybody purchases any products, you will earn an affiliate commission for doing so. So it's pretty cool. And let me just go ahead and show you my commissions. So you see, this is so far today I've earned $26. Yesterday I earned $75, and you see here last 7 days $109. And that's basically within the last 3 days, because I went ahead and I went through this whole 15-day challenge here. Once I went through the 15-day challenge, I decided, you know what, I actually really like this content, I really like the opportunity here, so I'm going to sign up to become an affiliate. And then I signed up a couple of days ago, and then you can see these are my earnings from promoting this within the last 3 days. It could be 4 days, 3 or 4 days, but I've not actively been pushing this. I've just sent out a couple of emails to my list about, you know, this opportunity here. There's also additional ways that you can earn money with Legendary Marketer. You've got pro streams of income down here, and what this allows you to do is you can sign up to become an affiliate for different autoresponders and different pieces of software, and then they're all included within the whole training course. And if someone basically purchases an email, an autoresponder, you earn an affiliate commission for this. But overall, well, it's normally $7, but if you use a little hack that I've shared with you earlier, if you go ahead and click the link down below, you'll get all of this for $1. So you will get the whole 15-day business challenge. You'll also get, go over here, you'll also get the 15-second free leads course down here. And also what I'm going to do for you is, if you do go ahead and decide to sign up and, you know, go through this 15-day challenge here with Legendary Marketer, I'll also throw in some of my courses for you, just so you get the absolute best possible opportunity to earn money online. So I will give you this bonus over here, which is my Not Taught at School Affiliate Academy. This will walk you through how to start making money step by step with affiliate marketing. And I'll also give you this course over here, which is my Not Taught at School YouTube Academy. This is a course that will show you how to drive traffic to absolutely any affiliate offer or product or service that you want using YouTube. So look, that is enough for today's video. I hope you found it useful. If you did, please give the video a like. If you've got any comments or questions, leave them down below. But overall, for $1, you're going to get access to everything that we've spoken about today. And all I would say is, sign up and go through this whole 15-day challenge here and take it serious, because I've seen so many people who sign up to these things and they get really excited about it, and, you know, they jump up and down and they tell all the friends and the family, you know, I'm going to be earning X amount of money and I'm going to be doing blah 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 blah, but they don't actually go. Some people go through this and they don't even complete it. But look, Dave is a multi-millionaire, and everything he shares within this whole 15-day challenge is what he's learned over the years, how to build a business literally from scratch, and it gives you the ideas, the tools, and absolutely everything you need to know to start making money online. So thank you again for watching today's video. I'll see you tomorrow.